Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can delete your browsing history in Safari or any iPhone. What you need to do is just you need to go to the settings, and after going to the settings you need to swipe up, and as you see that on the bottom there is an app section. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it you need to find the Safari app in the app section, which will be in the S section. As you can see that in the S section is the top app Safari. Just tap on it, and after going to the Safari just swipe up, and in the history and website data there is a clear history and website data. You just need to tap on it, and from here you can actually delete all the history or data of websites stored within Safari like this, and everything will be deleted. So that's how you can actually clear your history or website data on Safari in any iPhone, specifically in iOS 18.4. I hope this video helping out in deleting the history. Until next video, bye bye.